Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to clamp a number within a specific range using JavaScript. This technique ensures a number stays between a defined minimum and maximum. It is commonly used in UI sliders, game mechanics, and input validation. Let's dive right into how it works. The goal is simple. If the number is inside the range, we return it as is. If it is smaller than the lower boundary, we return the lower limit. And if it is larger than the upper limit, we return the upper one. This keeps values controlled and within safe bounds. We use Math.min and Math.max to evaluate both ends of the range. If the outer Math.max ensures the number does not fall below the lowest bound, the inner Math.min ensures it does not exceed the upper bound. This approach works even if it is a greater than b. First, we identify which of the two boundaries is minimum and maximum. Then, we compare the number against them. If it is too low or too high, we force it into valid range. This guarantees your output always falls within limits. Here's how clamping affects different inputs. If a value is inside the range, it stays untouched. Values too high or too low get clamped to the nearest range. This is great for keeping user input safe and controlled. Clamping is handy in many scenarios, from UI sliders to form validation. It ensures input or system data stays within expected ranges. It is especially critical in dynamic apps and games. Let's wrap this up with a quick recap. That's all about clamping numbers in JavaScript. Use this technique to control ranges and avoid unexpected behavior. It is simple, elegant, and practical for real-world programming. Thanks for tuning in. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.